Have a friend or family member who loves those things that go pew, pew, pew? I do. I love them, and I'm thinking you probably know somebody too, if it's not you yourself. In any case, this is a fabulous gift idea for somebody. If you don't know what to get them, this is ridiculously cool. This is a universal cleaning kit. Let me show you what's inside here. Basically, there is everything you could possibly need to take care of your pew, pew, pew. You have cleaning fluid. You have liquid oil, high temperature grease. Over here you can see you have brushes for just about every single size you could possibly imagine. On the other side here, I'll take this stuff out. You have cleaning pads. You have, I call these booger pickers. I like to call them booger pickers. I don't know, it's more like a real dental tool, somebody might call it. But great for getting into those tight spaces. And obviously you have a handle here for all those adapters you saw on the other side. You have the handle for cleaning those objects. There's no way for you to go wrong with this. That is the only answer. It really has everything the little person in your life who loves going pew, pew, pew needs to clean up after they get done. I highly recommend this. Can't go wrong. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.